नंबर चलना शुरू जैसे बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। चिनार टाइम के साथ मैं हूँ नासिर शहजाद। आज यहाँ बार्सिलोना की एक मशहूर जगह है प्लाजा कैटलोनिया, वहाँ से गुज़र रहे थे और अक्सर हम वीडियो बनाते रहते हैं जो भी अच्छी चीज़ें लगे। तो यहाँ से जब हम गुज़रे तो यहाँ एक दोस्त हैं बैठे हुए, इनकी वीडियो हम आफाद में आपको दिखाते हैं। ये एक पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं, यकीनन काफ़ी अरसे से कर रहे होंगे और बड़ी दिल दहला देने वाली इनकी पेंटिंग है। और ये अपनी मेहनत में अपनी मिसाल आप हैं। तो हम इनसे जानेंगे कितने अरसे से ये काम कर रहे हैं और किस तरह ये कर रहे हैं। अभी हम आपको इनकी पेंटिंग चलते हैं।
Look at this, how it's already my draws. All what I draw is ordered. The people have my contact, and when they need a gift, they send me photo, I draw him, and I send him post, or we meet on the street. And for this, I was born with my problem, and never I not use it my hand, and for me it's very easy to do anything with feet. And to paint, I studied 10 years, high school, university, and master in art. And for this it's easy for me to travel now.
ये है हमारे वो दोस्त जो अभी ये पेंटिंग कर रहे थे, जो पेंटिंग हमने आपको दिखाई है। इनसे हम कुछ सवाल करेंगे। हेलो माय फ्रेंड, हाउ आर यू?
Hello.
You okay? You
Yeah,
fine?
I work.
Where from you? Which country you belong to?
I am from Romania.
Romania. ये रोमानिया से जी। How long you are doing this painting?
All my life. When I was young, one teacher of my school started to search doctor who knows something about my problem, and because my mother don't have it money, this teacher think easy to make money. You can write it fit, you can paint it fit. But I hate to paint when I was young because it was around Christmas and in Romania it's snowing. And all my friends, my sister was outside and I just play with snow and I need to stay home to paint. If I don't have ready the picture, I can't make money, I can't pay the doctor, and never I can have a hand like all the kids. And I stay home, I cry and I paint. But after after 1 week, I sell 20,000 postal cards with my group. But after 1 year, all the doctors in the world is telling me it's impossible to do something for you. This is your life, you need to accept and enjoy like this. And when I understand I am different and I see how much money I can make just to grow, I feel this really special. And for this, now I can travel with one pencil and one paper where I want in this world.
Like this problem, you are by birth or in
I was born. And never I noticed it. It's just skin and bones with my hands. But look at something else. I tell you, to paint I study, but to write anybody study how it's writing, no? Look what I have for you.
Nasir, my name is Nasir.
N-A-S-I-R. Nasir.
Yeah, good.
Nice to meet you, Nasir.
Thank you very much. What is your name?
Marian.
Marian.
For this, I like to work on the street. look at this. Because I like to motivate the people. Anybody who see how I am and what I do tomorrow morning when it's wake up is thinking, if this guy can do all this without hands, I have two hands I need to use. And this message, when your will is big, the obstacles are small. It's very good motivating message for me.
ये 2020 का मैसेज इन्होंने दिया है जी, ये आप सब के लिए भी है, हमारे लिए भी है। और इनकी ज़िंदगी से हमारे लिए एक सबक है कि अगर चाहे ये पैरालाइज हैं, लेकिन ये कह रहे हैं कि इनकी फैमिली ने इनको घर में बिठाए रखा, इनसे कहा कि तुम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन और मुझे ये कहा कि तुम पेंटिंग करो, और मैं पेंटिंग करता रहा और आज मैं इस काबिल हुआ हूँ। Do you have any message? People like they don't do work and they don't do anything.
Yeah, be happy with all what do you have. You don't need to cry because you don't have like all the people. If you want more, you need to work. But if you don't want to work, enjoy your life and you can live happy just with this. If anybody who wants to
Happy New
more,
Year.
need to work to do something, to learn something.